I'm here to make a video about how to make a parametric wall not using one of those machines. So here I am with a little jig, and by the way, if I sound dumb in this video, it's because I don't make videos that often like this, but it's a do-it-yourself video, and if you think I'm dumb, I'll explain why I might not be that dumb, but I never like to say I'm smart, just in case. But, all right, so I made a jig right here. This jig, I screwed it in here, and as you can see, I was gonna do some different designs, but I settled on this one. But this jig is kind of screwed there, and I have a router, and then, so I have the jig I made a 4-foot pattern, and then I doubled up the pattern and made an extra 4-foot of pattern on this big 8-foot board. So as you can see right here, I have little lines marked every 3/4 of an inch, and I numbered them to where I could remember where to put the next board. So as you can see, number 45 is next right here. So I have it clamped down, and I'm gonna cut it with the router guiding along here. All right, well, I'm making a mess, but here's what I've done so far. As you can see, it's coming out pretty good. I cut 44 boards, and I think it's coming out right. Now, a lot of the time, people use a CNC machine along with an AutoCAD program to help design these things. All right, and I couldn't find a video online of how to do it yourself, so I decided that I would make a video for everyone trying to. And I think the thing is called a parametric wall. Well, a parametric wall, I really don't know how to spell that, but I'm doing it. So I have some other boards right here that I'm gonna use for the next pieces. I have like 20 pieces left to do, but I'm wearing this mask for the sawdust. I mean, it is the coronavirus time, and it's hot out here. But so anyway, parametric wall, parametric art, parametric. That's what I'm doing. So I have the notches marked out for the rest, but we'll see how it turns out. So kind of figured it out. So hopefully it comes out good. Okay, so now I have this piece done. So you take it like this, tap it a couple times. You have to get the dust off, like that. Now I have another piece to add to the puzzle. So I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna stack it on my stack. Okay. So get the camera. It's filming, so I'm gonna bring it to my stack over here. So I'm gonna put it right there. I'll stack it like that. And I'm gonna label it. This is number 45. 45, I love that number. All right, now we're gonna come over here. All right, another thing is, so I took the section that I wanted to put this over, and I measured this section. It's a like 23-foot section. Then I calculated how many boards I would need, 4.5 inches apart, and I came up with, like whatever amount I have. I'm not gonna say it because I'm not quite sure yet, but estimated. So anyway, so these little marks right here are, there's just enough marks to where when I get to the mark, I'll finish at the end. So I have this many boards left to do. And then I'll get to the end to where the pattern is gonna be consistent and end on the end. So I figured that out. Don't ask me how, but somehow I figured it out last night in my driveway with 3 kids talking to me at the same time. So anyway, okay. So you have to suck up all the dust. You know, I don't know why it's not coming. Oh, I didn't. Hold on, I gotta put this back. You gotta suck up all the dust like this. Because if you don't, you're gonna have a mess. You know, like this. Okay? That got bigger. That's what it's looking like right now. Let me give you a better view. So all the wood is kind of coming into form. Got the design, the wave look. I'm on number 59. Love that number too. But I have 1 space left. So my calculations were pretty spot on. So when I put, well, all right, so I have number 60 right here. And when I put number 60 is gonna fall right on the end. So just to show you. Oh, I was worried about this not working out. So when I line this up there, we're gonna go over here. Oh, I missed by 1/8 of an inch. So I'll clamp that one down, and then I'll finish it up. And then next is sanding them and painting them. So, and then hanging them up. So you'll see the finished product, might be in a couple videos, but I have a mess to clean up. But if there's not a mess, there's not progress.